We are on camera firmware version 10.00.02.30. We are now going to go into the DJI Mimo app. We're going to allow it to connect. Wants to join the network, join. Over here, there should be a word saying new firmware available. I apologize. And it says what is new. It is 160.9 meg, version 1010730 for the Action 4. Added shooting 10-bit video in efficiency mode, HEVC. Added image adjustment sharpness and noise reduction level can be customized from -2 to its lowest. Add support for using the Osmo Action GPS Bluetooth remote controller, the built-in satellite positioning, and more. Video shooting optimizes automatic exposure and improve image quality and enhance color for sure. Well, man, let me tell you, this color is already outstanding. We are now transferring, and we must wait 2 full minutes. If you go into your phone to the cog, go into your user profile, and make sure auto download and Wi-Fi are enabled on the top over here, and your camera will communicate to one another. If you have it turned off because you're afraid of DJI spying on you, then you're going to have to go in and manually set up. When it's at 51%, it should be transferring over to the camera. And here we are, almost done, 62%. I am very pleased with the blue skies. The blue are bluer than the Osmo Action 3. As you got to have the Rocksteady off to see the GPS enabled on the factory firmware. The one thing I've noticed with the factory firmware was when I hit the shutter on and it automatically started up in the instant on, I was being clipped on the beginnings of my clip. I'm going to have to wait another second and then talk so I can have the actual video start correctly. I want to see if they improve that, if it's a bug, an issue. But on the previous video, you noticed me doing the shutter speed and I did not get the record. Update is successful. Hit done. The camera is resetting and we are searching for the camera. Tap and hold to adjust the brightness for digital zoom. They are pointing over here. Updating in progress for the 2 minutes. Now let the camera finish its update, then to click on different things. It wants to join the network. I'm not sure what is happening here and why we have that there. So if I click on the camera, let it open up, you can see everything's working and the update is there. I want to click on the highlight, tap to check the battery level. I want to see the battery level saying 75% all the time. I don't want it to just be a full battery like so. So let's go into the area of interest. Let's look for image adjustment default. Turn it on. After activating the low light, you're able to customize portrait mode, default mode. Low light adjustment, low light priority. I want to come over here and customize. There we go. This is noise reduction and sharpness, not in the Pro, in the actual default to the camera, and that I am very thankful for DJI not locking it into the Pro side advanced settings. We can adjust this down to the -2. We no longer have 0.3, 0.7, 1 in those increments. That would be our next feature request, to offer us more sharpness adjustment like the EV value. I don't want to be subject to full increments. Noise reduction, would that be for video or for audio? It doesn't say video noise reduction. We are -2, 0, all the way up to 1. It does not have 2. So we need to see a little bit more than just 1. So there we have just some of the things that they have corrected in the firmware. But one of the things I want to do now is turn my camera off. It is a hard press. I want to hit the shutter. It immediately takes a picture and shuts off within 3 seconds. What I want to do is turn my camera on. I want to swipe into the video. I want to shut my camera off. And I want to remove my battery because I want to see when this camera starts up. I want to see to do what on the last video it did not do. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, enabling low light and taking video. What I'm trying to see is if I had that issue with just the green light. I want to now just come here and do one more shutter. 1 1000, and now the camera works immediately. DJI Osmo Action 4, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll report back later if I have that green issue happening again on quick shutter. I am going to do one more time, just for me and for you. Pull the battery out, put the battery in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, recording. That is pretty good. Maybe we could have that say a little less and see the recording happening and seeing the enabled low light cover the red bullet. On that note, I'm Fish. Have a great day.